Hands up, we gonna have a big party in the club. Shake your ass, baby, let me see your profile. Move your sexy body, get a whole time vibe. Move it, calibrate slow. Body jumping, give me some more. Got myself a feeling, I'm feeling alright. We gonna have some fun tonight. It's a beautiful life. Oh, oh, it's a beautiful life. Oh, oh, it's a beautiful life. Oh, oh, I just wanna be here beside you. It's a beautiful life.
Tapos na si Ruby. Ah, number niya. Number na Ruby.
It's not how big, how elegant, and how extravagant the things that you are wearing. Rather, it's how you give life to the things that you are wearing. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The traditional costume that I'm wearing for tonight is the most beautiful, prestigious festival in the Philippines. Yes, tama po kayo. Nagmula pa po ito sa the summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio City. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Arby Carifor, 25 years old stoner, who was from the heart of Quiapo, Manila. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of the Filipina-American host model, actress, yes, Miss Earth 2013, nag-iisa, Miss Megan Yang. Na nagsasabing, nagbibigay po ako ng wais tip para sa mga malalakihan. Imbis na ng babae, mamakla. Bakit? Pag ang babae, niligawan mo, gagastos ka. Pag nagpakasal kayo, gagastos ka. Pag nagkaanak kayo, gagastos ka. Sa aming mga bakla, hihiga, titirik ang mata, uunat ang paa, paggising mo, may Air Max iPhone 7 plus 250 ka pa. Thank you.